Okay students, I have a sample for you so you can have better understanding of the petal technique. So write all sections of your petal paragraph together as one paragraph. I am providing you this sample and you all are supposed to apply the petal technique by your own. I am giving you the idea and guidance, and you are supposed to practice the petal technique on this paragraph. So starting from the point, if you can see, like from the very first line, the point is about the darkness. The writer has used the darkness as the very basic point of this test, and the best Gothic convention is the use of darkness in the setting. So we will take the word darkness as our point in this text. The next one is evidence. Like you have to support your point, like why you say so, like the darkness is the point, so you are supposed to add the evidence. The ground were very dark now, so the evidence make references to a certain section or idea within the text. So this should always be it should always be written as a quotation. Talking about a technique, so the writer has used the adjective dark to describe the ground. So the writer has used dark. You can highlight any other technique, any other structure the writer has used in the paragraph. So you can highlight that type of a technique. If here the writer has used the adjective dark, so you are supposed to mention that technique that writer has used the adjective dark. And the next thing is analysis. I'm going to repeat some points of analysis again to have the better understanding. So in analysis, you are supposed to make the explanation and the effect of the text, effect of the quotation on the reader. Being a reader, being an audience, like what type of effect that quotation, that evidence have. If I talk about the very first impression, very first effect, that is might be it suggests that the day is coming to an end and the blackness of the night is at beginning. You know, we are talking about the darkness, so first analysis could be like this. And this build a tense atmosphere as it is more difficult to see in the gloom. So it can highlight the point of darkness over here in the analysis. So there are two things that you are supposed to carry within the analysis is explanation and the effect. In explanation, what is the meaning of the quotation? You are supposed to add the meaning of the quotation, and then effect on the audience. What is the effect of that text on the audience? So the first step of analysis will be an explanation of the meaning of the quotation, which shows your understanding of the ideas. And the second, exceeding and greater depth, that students should be able to develop layer of meaning, like you are supposed to conduct the meaning from that evidence. The next is the link, and link the text with your point that you have stated on the very beginning, on the very task, on the very start of the question. And link to what? Link to the question, link to the historical context, link to the another part of the text, or you can say like comparison to the another text. So if we see on our text, like the very last line is giving the evidence of the link, like I have highlighted it in the red, and it is giving the link. Alright, and the link concludes this that section of your argument by linking back to the question, and it can also develop another layer of meaning by linking to the other part of the text or the historical text. So this is the last thing that you have to be mentioned, and this the whole task. Thank you.